Hello, and today's video is brought to you by the Vivitar camcorder, 4K 60 frames per second. It's not bad for a camcorder. It came from the United States. I had them send it to me. But we're going to test it out and test the how everything is, how the zoom is. So let's get to it. Okay, this here is the Vivitar camcorder 4K. Let me know what you think about the picture and everything, and how's the sound. Now we're going to try to zoom in to see how close we can get to things with this camcorder. I know it kind of does steps. There's power lines. Let's see how close we can get to them. That's about it. Buses, let's zoom out because it's too close for my comfort. So, well, tell me what you think. This here is the Vivitar 4K camcorder. Again, let me know what you think about it. Leave in the comments whether the sound is good and the video is good. Vivitar 4K. Hey, until next time.